Yeah, look at all the bees. Millions. What's a McLaren? Oh,
Yeah, McLaren. Those are nice cars.
Heck yeah, they sell a lot of them at Palm Springs.
McLaren.
Want to film the side of it? Want me to act like I'm gonna race them?
That's pretty nice.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are at La Jolla, California. Check it out. This is a secret location going down these stairs. So look at, there's the caves. The caves are right over there. This is the secret entrance. Let me see. I'll show you how to get. I'll show you where I'm at. There's the crab catcher restaurant. Oyster bar, Sunday brunch, happy hour. So we're going this special way. If you come down through the top, through where all the shops are, this is the way to come. Opens up right here.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Right here, Slippery.
We are at La Jolla.
Is it worth it? Is it worth it?
It's worth it? Yeah? Is it expensive or no? Ah. That's a keeper.
He said she paid for it.
Yeah.
See, I told you, women are starting to pay for it.
Yeah.
I don't know, she paid for it.
Well, that's a keeper.
This is a cool spot right here. Look
Yeah.
how deep. That's
Just
why-
careful something doesn't come up and grab you like one of those.
Contact it. I'll be like, wow, my feet got wet.
Oh, I did?
And it was all dry right here.
Yeah. Just that one time.
Most of the mountain. Barely.
Yep. Look at all this. Well, guys, we're at La Jolla, California. Checking out. This is the lower half of the cave where everyone kayaks. Check it out. Look at the scenery. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Hopefully we can get back up there. Yeah.
And if you do go in, it's only water.
Yeah. Look at these right here. I'll give you $20 if you dive right now into the water. Mm-hmm. Would you, if someone gave you 20 or 50 bucks, would you jump from here and there?
Yeah. I don't know where I'd come out at. You'd have to swim over there.
Over there where the seals are.
Yeah.
Or right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see the orange fish?
Oh yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It looks like a big what is it called?
Those the bluegills?
No, the goldfish.
Oh yeah. Look at that girl.
Yeah, she has fins.
Yeah, but she looks like she's struggling. Isn't she?
Yeah. You could go down there too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you want to go over there? Yeah. And we'll see them come in and out, huh?
See, he's all, come on, green boat. You take green boats and the red ones are coming over.
Oh yeah.
Look at, here goes the green ones.
Go green boats!
Shark!
See if it's expensive. Was that expensive to do?
It's gonna be like, if you have to ask, you can afford it.
Oh yeah.
He might be tired.
Oh yeah.
He does. I've seen him coming in and out a lot. See?
He's gonna get off me.
His legs are probably tired. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
Because he has to do that 24/7.
Look at that girl. Nice bun. I didn't say buns, bun. Oh look at this, what's it called? Crane.
Pelican.
Pelican.
It's cold with a wetsuit.
Is it?
It's cold.
It's hot up here. Oh.
Hard getting back in, too.
It's hard turning those over.
Oh, we're walking.
Is that expensive to do or what?
Down the boulevard. All the way down.
How much is that to do? 60? Oh, that's not bad. $60, Daniel. Aliens. They're aliens. Yeah.
You'd have to throw a ball. One of those balls. Throw an air ball. One of those little air balls. You know how they play?
Yeah. Pretty neat. Look at that one over there on the beach.
That's the mom. Dude, that eagle has landed.
The eagle has landed. Oh, excuse me. I got there just in time. I did the whole 360 degree.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I even got the shark. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Oh, yeah. Watch this one.
You got me. Through a hole.
You do look like a kid.
It's all pouring out. Oh, it's still about that.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could